I'm going to show you how to make the rose honey tea. Very easy steps. First, you just need to take off the rose petals and clean it. Use some water to take off some residues from sitting outside. And then next step, you pour some boiled water in and let it sit for a few minutes. And then add the honey. I use the lavender honey. You see that it has some seeds of the lavenders. And then I just pour in the rose petal water into the honey and then stir it a little bit. You can see there are some petals. Those are the lavender petals on top of the water. And that's about it. Hope you like it.